Hey, it's Megan with WTI, and I do not function well when I'm hungry at all. And I'm also in a super bad mood. So it's really important for me to have some fast, quick snacks to grab. And these Olyra blueberry Greek yogurt sandwiches have been great. A lot of quick snacks are packed with sugar and they're not very nutritional, but I am so happy that these little cookie sandwiches are lower in sugar and they have a great amount of fiber. They also pack a whopping 5 grams of protein per serving, which is also amazing for helping me to feel full and satisfied. I am a big fan of blueberry flavor, whether they're fresh blueberries or dried blueberries, and I find that I can unmistakably pick up on that blueberry flavor in these biscuits. Sometimes when I make that poor decision of eating snacks that are full of sugar, I get that sugar crash that comes later and I just feel miserable. These little biscuits are completely different and I find that they really stay with me and sustain me and give me energy for a longer period of time, and I don't experience that uncomfortable crash feeling. These Olyra biscuits have been great for me to keep the hunger pangs at bay and to keep me in a good mood too. And that's just my point of view.